In this tutorial, we will be building on the undulating pavilion model we have created in previous tutorial. We will be placing the model in a geographical location, applying materials, and exporting the model as an OBJ file. These new additions were all introduced as separate nodes. In the first part of this tutorial, we will be going through the steps for placing the model on site and visualizing it in the GeoViewer. We will also be generating simple massing of its surrounding buildings and trees. Let's begin with the first node, named Geolocation. In this node, we have set the geolocation and north vector as model attributes. These attributes are essential to the placement of the model in the GeoViewer. In the neighboring buildings node, we start by importing the GeoJSON data from a web URL. The imported data comes in as a collection of polygon building footprints. In the attribute table, we can see that each polygon has its building name and height. We will be extruding the footprint to the height specified by the building height attribute to create the building massing. Similarly, the GeoJSON data of the trees are imported with the io.import function. The imported GeoJSON data comes in a collection of points, each point with an attribute indicating the height of the tree. Next, we generated a single tree using a local function. This tree is then copied to every point in the point collection, and scaled to the required tree height. The trees were randomly rotated to achieve some visual variation. In this video, we had looked at how to set up and import geolocation data, following which we used the data to create simple environment elements to show the surrounding context of our building. In the next video, we will be applying materials to our undulating pavilion.